Are you struggling with low libido and wondering why it's happening? Don't worry, this video will provide you with practical tips and a natural supplement that can support your well-being and revitalize your love life. How to increase libido in women naturally. Boosting libido naturally involves incorporating healthy foods and natural supplements into your daily routine. Nutrient-rich foods can play a significant role in enhancing the desire for intimacy. A balanced diet, coupled with supplements that support hormonal balance and overall energy, can positively impact libido. Focusing on natural remedies that promote wellness and vitality can contribute to a more satisfying and vibrant intimate experience. What causes low libido in young females? Hormonal imbalances. Fluctuations in hormones like estrogen and testosterone can greatly affect libido. Conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or thyroid disorders often lead to hormonal imbalances that may reduce the desire for intimacy. Stress and anxiety. High levels of stress and anxiety can impact mental health and overall well-being. When preoccupied with worries, interest in intimacy may diminish, making it challenging to maintain a healthy libido. Relationship issues. Strain or conflict in a relationship can lower libido. Emotional disconnect or unresolved issues with a partner can create barriers to intimacy, leading to reduced desire. Lifestyle factors. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and insufficient sleep can all contribute to low libido. A sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy eating habits, and inadequate rest can affect energy levels and desire for intimacy. Libido booster pills for women. Lady Fire Capsule is a purely natural supplement designed to support female libido and reproductive health. These capsules are crafted with a potent blend of 12 powerful herbs, ensuring that you receive a quality product with no side effects. Lady Fire Capsule helps support sexual desire, improve stamina, and balance hormonal levels, contributing to a more fulfilling and energetic love life. Main herbs of Lady Fire Capsule. Shatavari, Asparagus racemosus. Shatavari's adaptogenic properties help balance hormones and support reproductive health, enhancing libido and overall vitality. Nagbala, Seta spinosa. Nagbala improves blood flow to the pelvic region and stimulates reproductive organs, positively impacting the desire for intimacy and overall well-being. Safed muesli, Asparagus ascendens. Safed muesli is known for boosting libido and stamina, balancing hormones, and reducing stress and fatigue. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha helps manage stress and fatigue, supports hormonal balance, and enhances energy levels, which can improve libido. Vidarikand, Puraria tuberosa. Vidarikand balances hormones and improves circulation, reducing fatigue and supporting the increased desire for intimacy. Kali muesli, Curculigo orchioides. Kali muesli boosts libido, enhances stamina, and supports hormonal balance while helping to reduce stress and improve energy levels. Foods that can increase libido in women. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados support hormone production and circulation. These nutrients can help increase energy levels and improve overall vitality, contributing to a heightened libido. Berries. Strawberries and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy blood flow. Increased blood flow can enhance sensitivity and desire, making berries a tasty and beneficial addition to your diet. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and zinc. These nutrients are essential for hormone balance and can help regulate libido, supporting a healthier and more active love life. Dark chocolate. Containing compounds like phenylethylamine and serotonin, dark chocolate can elevate mood and increase feelings of pleasure. Consuming a small amount of high-quality dark chocolate can boost both mood and libido naturally. Including these libido-boosting foods in your daily diet, combined with taking Lady Fire Capsule consistently for 3 months, will significantly enhance your results. How to get Lady Fire Capsule. For the best natural support to uplift your desire and love life, try Lady Fire Capsule. You can purchase these capsules from ayurvedresearch.com and experience the benefits of this well-crafted natural supplement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video, where we reveal how to get your libido back.